This episode we go to Tiri and check out all the beautiful bird life. We sailed there for a day and we saw a kereru, a saddleback, a whitehead and a hihi. Tiritiri Matangi is a nature reserve. It's well known for its bird life and the lighthouse. It was all farmland, but then volunteers came to plant thousands of trees. They made it pest-free for the native birds to live their whole life. There are now around 100 types of birds, and a few of them are native to New Zealand.
Oh, gone.
Did you take a little
I don't know what sort of bird that was. What do you think it was?
I don't know.
I think we should ask Catherine or Kathy. We found out that this was a fernbird. Catherine is our bird expert and she gave us lots of photos.
So what do you guys think of this so far?
It's pretty amazing. It feels like every few
Yeah.
meters you go you see another kind of bird.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
And I was the first one to spot, I forgot what it was.
Saddleback.
Yeah, saddleback.
Yeah.
This is a saddleback and we finally got a good video of it. Finding a saddleback was very cool, but now we found a whitehead.
Oh, yeah, that's the white one. That's cute.
Does that tickle you, Daddy?
There he is up there.
No, you can't catch up to put it on the gingerbread man.
He's got a whitehead.
Then we found a Hihi and we loved the yellow feathers on it. Let him go! Hihi!
Wow.
Hihi!
That's so cool.
We didn't get a really good video of the Hihi, so here is one from our friends. It's now time to leave Tiri and all the amazing bird life. For my 7th birthday, I got this brand new surfboard from my family, and here I am learning to surf.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Jump up, jump up!
That came too early.
Okay. Okay, here goes. Oh, you alright? You kind of slammed on that one. Okay, you ready? Well done! Oh. Holy shoot! Okay, here goes! Go, 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 go!
If you like sailing kids, please subscribe. Next episode we start our trip to Kauau and the Coromandel and islands close to that. We also meet up with our cousins on the same sailing boat.